Network Entertainment.
Ako, all you need, toothbrush, deodorant.
Yes. Yep. Yun, mismo.
That's it. And toothpaste. Pero yung maliit na toothpaste, okay na yan. But I think, parang the longer you ride, the less you bring.
Yeah.
No?
Ano si Bob?
Parang the less stuff you realize you need. In Negros, if anything happened, you needed something. Nasa Iloilo ka eh. Sa
Tama
Bacolod ka eh. You're able to get it.
Tawid dagat na yun.
Oo. I don't bring as much as you guys, but I don't bring as little as Buck does.
What's up mga katunay? Welcome sa isa na namang episode ng Tunay na Rider. As you may know, we're most of us here ay magjo-join sa Batangas Loop. Di ba?
And Buck just came from the
FJ.
epic FJ Mountain Cross Endurance Challenge.
Yan.
Yata.
Oo.
Ano ang pangalan eh?
Yun,
The Don Joseph TLR Long Riders Resty FJ Moto Adventure Mountain Cross Endurance Challenge.
Featuring.
Featuring.
Ayan. Yung mga ganyang kasing ride, guys, it would take some packing. A lot of packing, no?
So much packing. Packing in the mountains, packing in the river,
Packing in the garage.
Kami
and we'll be packing all over Batangas.
in the road. No?
On the road,
On the
packing
road.
on the road, packing off the road.
Ngayon, pag-uusapan namin yung kung paano kami mag-pack ng kanya-kanya naming mga bag, no?
Sige.
We have here several examples ng extreme light packers such as Buck. Buck, ano nga ulit yung bitbit mo sa FJ? 5 araw yun total, tama?
Oh, marami.
Ano?
2 medyas,
Okay.
kutsara,
Mm.
tsaka tools.
Ano
Ilan araw yung FJ?
4.
Wala ka
5.
na mention na pantalon, bro, tsaka
Hindi,
brief,
yung
tsaka
suot na
t-shirt.
Suotin mo na.
Hindi yan packed. Suot na niya eh.
Okay. That's an extreme example of light packing. Buck, 5 araw, tama yun yung suot mo.
Oo naman.
Pero, okay.
Pero fresh yung paa mo dahil
Alin? Siyempre, kailangan komportable pa mo lagi.
Pero, okay. May logic to your madness, right? It's not like namumundok ka talaga, right? Like, forget the world, I don't need anything. What was the logic? Why do you need to pack lights, FJ?
Yeah, number 1, kung wala kang dadalhin, wala kang problemang dadalhin. Totoo. Mag-iisip ka pa?
That sounds so zen.
may nakalimutan.
No. But it is Zen.
Yeah.
It is Zen. The more stuff you have cluttering your mind, when you're doing something that's hardcore, right? Like FJ, ang dami mong iniisip, ay, napack ko ba yung banyo na dala ko?
Baka
Diba?
nakalimutan
Yung
ko.
tent, may naiwan ba ako?
Mag-occupy pa sa utak mo yun.
It distracts from the experience and it takes away from your performance.
Diba? Poproblemahin mo pagkain. Di para di mo problemahin, huwag ka magdala ng pagkain. Poproblemahin mo pagtulog. Di huwag ka magdala ng pantulog. Ganun na kasimple yun. Wala naman naamoy sa'yo sa bundok ng 3 araw eh.
Meron eh.
Apparently may mga Ano nga yung logic? Bakit may isang kutsara kang dala, Buck?
Number 1,
Ilan yung
kung
participant?
magdadala ka pa ng, imagine magdadala ka ng delata, magdadala ka ng MRE. Yung iba, may dala pang lutuan, may dala pang tubig,
May dala pang coffee maker.
may dala pang coffee maker.
Kaldero, gano'n?
Di pa kasama yung coffee beans doon na ground na. Diba?
May pang paella pa nga yung isa. Diba?
Meron kayong 400 participants. Kung meron kang dalang isang kutsara, makikutsara ka na lang pa isa-isa, hindi mo mauubos yung 400 na participants na yun.
Busog ka na.
Busog na na.
Basically, his whole logic is contingent on other participants who pack like JC.
Oo nga.
Yun.
Yung, kasi yung yung examples
No,
natin.
going back, why is weight important sa FJ?
Sa tingin ko, hindi naman important. Talaga ayoko lang magdala ng kaya.
So it has nothing to do with dropping the bike and having to pick it up.
Kaya naman yung buhatin eh. Kaya naman
It's
yan.
all about the man.
Okay.
Isang kutsara, makitikim ka na lang sa lahat ng participant at umasa ka sa mga overpacker just like JC.
And that's why ang daming may bird flu doon sa FJ.
What? Bird flu? JC, why don't you tell us? Ikaw kasi yung other end of the spectrum. Kung siya sobrang gaan, ikaw naman, for the Batangas Loop, what are you gonna bring?
We optimized na to. Kasi, di ba, galing ako ng Negros.
Tayo.
Galing tayo ng Negros.
Tayo.
Yun, 2 Kriga, puno ng gamit.
Mm.
Pero, you also have to consider, we traveled from Manila to Negros. So, marami talaga akong bit-bit on the bike.
Na-flat pa yung mga kasama mo.
So, yun, kompleto. Backpack, 2 bag. Pero, I learned na there's stuff na hindi mo talaga magagamit. So, ito, optimized version. For me, in order of priority, di ba, is your bike, yung tires mo, kailangan sure na laging nasa tamang tire pressure siya when you ride the loop.
Yeah.
Kasi, una, hassle sa kasama mo if you get stuck. Just because of missed inflation. Kaya, we really promote this product, the Fobo Bike 2. It gives you real-time na monitoring. So, partner niyan always is an inflator. So, Iba actually brings his own inflator as well. So, yan.
Itong dalawang to, lagi mong bit-bit to, bro.
Yes.
Nakakabit
Ito
na sa
nasa
motor
motor
yan.
niya.
Oo nga.
Ito nasa tail bag palagi.
Malayo, malapit, bit-bit mo rin to.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay. Kasi, for example, my garage is nasa basement. So, pag lapit ko sa bike, na-detect ng Fobo na low pressure ako, akit pa ako sa taas. Kung nasa tail bag ko na, right then and there, before leaving, pwede ko na inflate.
Yeah. Smart.
So,
Okay.
yeah, so that's caring for the tires. So, next siguro is the first aid kit.
Si Bak, ginaganon lang niya yung goma. Okay pa yan.
Kinakatok.
Pero to be fair, I'm relatively a new rider, so I have to parang be more cautious with my safety. Ayan. So, wala pa yung experience level ni Buck.
Pag tumagal-tagal, gano'n na rin yan. Di na rin.
Tatamalog ka rin.
Lahat to iiwanan na ni JC to.
Tinan mo, galing Negros, marami pa, di ba? Edi habang pabawas sa
How many
pabawas.
percent have nagbawas ka from
So,
Negros?
Negros, I had the full 40 and a 20 and a back.
Ilan araw yun?
Mga 5 rin
6
kami dun.
days.
Oh, yun. 6 pala.
6 days.
Nakasimangot si Tito Bob.
So, this one has my first aid kit and my extra gloves.
May mercury naman sa Negros eh.
Tapos, laging naman ng bag ko, it's an extra, kumbaga mini go bag. So, nandito yung extra shirt, extra socks, extra underwear, extra dry plus na balaklava. So, nandito na siya. Then, very crucial sa ride is the power bank. So,
Which is nasa bar bag.
yes, nasa bar bag. Kailangan kasya siya doon.
Ilan
Kasi
mAh yan?
12K.
Okay.
So, good for 2 cycles of the phone. Tapos, siguro up to 4 sa cardo. Ayun. So, na-notice ko kasi, pagka flimsy yung power bank mo, kung kailan mag-charge, hindi na nag-charge. At some point nga, yung iPhone ko pa yung nag-charge ng power bank. Doon ako na-stress. So, pangit lang talaga yung power delivery. So, yeah, crucial yung mawalan ka ng comms, mawalan ka ng navigation. So, critical yun for me. Then,
Ako, I like having a lot of 10,000 mAh or
Kasi matipis
5,000
lang sila.
mAh. So, one, if I lose it, which I
Probably will.
probably will, I'm good. But the second reason is having a lot of 5,000 will get you through the day. 10,000 will get you more than you can charge cameras and stuff with 10,000. But having several of those smaller ones, na anchor then, you can just leave it always. I have one charger for motorcycles, one that I bring with me. So I'll have 2 on a motorcycle. You know what I mean? One in my everyday carry.
Yeah.
So I can spread it out. May backup.
Yeah. So, yeah, mas reliable nga yung Anchor. So, nag-try na ako ng ibang brand.
Brand ko rin yan, men. Ganda niyan.
Ugreen is also good.
Yeah, Ugreen.
Ugreen, Anchor. There was another one. Anyway, but Anchor and Ugreen, you can't go wrong.
The reason why I got this, 2,000 pesos yung discount ng 2.2.
So, sumasabay sa sale.
4 na lang siya. So, I got it na. Yeah, tapos next is, buti you mentioned na toiletries. So, usually, pag hotel naman, I hope that the hotel has the toiletries. Pero I make sure I bring a toothbrush and toothpaste. Tapos, an extra towel, but the small towel. Kasi, hirap na pagka umulan, di ba, you need to wipe. So, at least this one, sure, it's easy to pack. Tapos, due to recent events, if you have an air vest and it inflates,
Recent significant events.
malaking bagay na you have a spare canister.
Tried and tested.
Para magamit mo pa rin
Furigan Air Vest.
para magamit mo pa rin siya after the incident.
Hindi kasi si JC, bilang isang GM, tinitest niya talaga lahat ng produkto niya. It has to be
Literally.
in working order.
Literally testing it in real life situations.
Yeah. Oo.
Diba?
Pwede naman hindi.
Risking life and limb. Diba?
Just for product assurance para sa mga customer
Oo.
nila.
Dahil sa pagtetest ni JC, bibili na rin ako niyan.
Okay.
Yeah. Tapos may balita na it might rain, so raincoat.
Yeah.
Tapos one thing na si Scott Woodward taught me na was you pack your clothes in Ziplocs. So hindi ko naintindihan nung time na yun was, sige, so ginawa ko per category ng clothes, isang Ziploc. So pagdating ng first overnight, I had to open all the Ziplocs to get one item per Ziploc. So ngayon naka-per day na siya.
Ako, I pack it in a cube, na compression cube.
Yeah.
The Peak design is a great one.
Yeah.
Because once you have dirty clothes, it has a separate compartment where you put that in. But I pack it na parang stages.
Yeah.
So parang ganun din yung logic. Hindi siya hiwalay. And I basically have like the same shirt and the same pants. So, yeah.
Tapos
Matalino yun.
I lessened the cotton na material. So mostly it's a dry fit or compression gear. Kasi yung pinaka-outfit mo is your jacket and your pants. So what you need lang is an easy way to put it on and take it off. So this one works already. Tapos wala ka pang worry na yung pag pinawisan ka, matutuyuan ka ba?
That's never been a worry. Why is that a worry? Oh
For
no!
me, that's my trigger kasi for allergies. Yung natuyuan ako ng power.
Speaking of allergy, may mga gamot ba dun
Yeah, dun sa
first aid?
Yeah,
Anong laman?
Standard, may paracetamol. Yung sa allergy, I have my own medicine. So I bring...
For altitude, Viagra.
Yan, to prevent edema, di ba?
Yep.
Yeah.
Or coca.
Okay.
Then, I shit you not.
Sige, so...
Viagra or coca.
Yeah.
Okay, I learned something new today.
Fourth floor pataas, kailangan nagbabayad.
Paano yan nga? 15th floor yung bahay ko.
So, yeah, basically, that's it na. So, overnight, yan na yung setup. Tapos, yeah, make
Tools.
sure you bring your charger. Tools ko is, di ako katulad ng
Nibak.
mga nibak na alam niya ayusin yung bike. So, di na ako magpapanggap. Yung dadali kong tool, yung kailangan ko, pliers, knife, and screwdriver.
Mga
basically,
bottle opener, mga gano'n.
Yes, bottle opener.
May Leatherman na may kasamang kutsara, di ba?
Meron. meron.
Makahanap nga ako ng gano'n.
Maganda kay David, bracelet na leather one. Tinanong ko magkano, pass.
No, but the problem with okay, so I have that bracelet also. The problem with having a metal leather mud wrapped around your wrist when you're riding, if you take a spill,
it hurts.
It fucking hurts.
Oh, okay.
Tsaka kung parati ka sumasakay sa motor kotse mo, baka matama-tamaan mo lang .
Yeah. So it's awesome, but not for riding with
Yeah.
Like, yung, daily lang, pwede siguro. Pero kahit yung, actually, kahit yung Apple Watch, parang feeling ko pag sumemplang ako with this, masakit eh.
Tsaka,
Baka
hindi
mabasag.
Okay lang mabasag, pero, okay, pero...
it's shock resistant eh.
No, but
notice ko,
No, but even if it's shock resistant, you hit something hard, it hits you back.
yeah.
Okay.
Tama.
Teka, may kinukwento siya. Paano mo na-notice yung sa Apple Watch mo?
Hindi, ang naging concern ko dun sa Apple Watch, kasi sabi niya may crash detection, di ba? So, hindi siya nag-send dun ng notification. So,
Nung nag-testing ka ng produkto mo, hindi siya
Yeah.
Okay.
So, anyway, going back. So,
Like a controlled environment.
last na thing na I really use during long rides is the earplugs. So, two uses yan. One is, if you're wearing earplugs during the ride, hindi sasakit yung ulo mo at the end of the day. Kasi lessen yung wind noise, yung irritation from that. Ang hindi mo maiwasan is yung kung sino yung magiging roommate mo. Di mo alam kung anong sleeping habits.
Yan.
Di ba? Minsan parang sirang aircon, minsan parang, lawnmower.
Pump boat.
Earplugs. Ano yan?
Na hindi na tune up.
may kilala ako, tumutula habang tulog.
Teka lang, JC.
Mm.
Nung nag-Negros, sa mga checkpoint, di ba ito yung nakakalang sort of bala or something?
Ay, hindi naman. Kasi di ko naman nilalabas to.
Vibrate ba yan?
Yun.
Yeah.
That's the ensemble. Ilang
Yep.
percent yung nabawas from the Negros Loop dito sa dala mo ngayon?
Doon sa bag ngayon, I think it can fit na yung US-20 compared sa dati US-40.
US-40. So, 50%.
50%.
Laking bawas na yan.
Overnight lang kasi ito eh.
Oo.
And Batangas is like, if I need something, I'll call my house.
Pala move mo. Kaya pala eh.
Exactly. So, yun yung extra confidence of the Batangas. Yung Negros talaga, if you didn't bring it, it's
Wala
either you
na.
buy something new or wala. You missed it.
Oh.
Your what bike are you bringing?
The 450 also.
So,
we're
20
riding this-
tayo.
Yeah.
Twinsies.
The TLD.
TLD.
The overpacker, ngayon ako naman yung in-between.
Hindi ako overpacker. Sakto na yun eh.
Sakto ba yan?
You're not in between. You're packing but you're not carrying.
Yeah. Okay. FYI.
May security guard ka eh.
Di naman. Kasi, yung mga kaibigan natin sa BMW Motorrad, they've been generous enough to lend me the R12. Kalo-launch lang, di ba?
Yung bago.
Di ko pa nagagamit yun. So
they're lending you that bike. You didn't ask for it. You didn't say na, uy, that's a really nice bike. I would love to use it for the Batangas Loop.
GS ano yung inihiram ko, pero lahat naka-out eh.
Okay.
F900 GS.
So you didn't come in
1300.
imposing on me.
Di, talagang yun lang yung available, bro. With that, yung R12, option 719 eh. Walang extra seat, single seater, bobber in short, parang ganon. Kaya naisipan ko manghiram sa kumpare ko ng dry bag. Meron din akong ganito pero nag-deteriorate na eh. Naglalagas na.
May ganyan din ako, pero
Orange yung
tinira
sa-
ni Bak yung Touratech ko eh.
Eto, tong dry bag na to.
Kinirap ko lang kay Alvin yun ha.
Uy, talaga.
Sali natin mamaya.
Hindi, kaya ang problema kasi sa mga ganito, pag matagal mo hindi ginamit, yung tapos naka-fold siya ng matindi. Pag inunat mo, parang na sisira yung outer coating.
Yun ang problema ko rin with yung mga cheaper rain gear.
Di ba? Parang
Like sa Decathlon.
Yun. Okay. 40 liters to, hindi ko naman siya napuno. What I have here is like 50% lang. I have
39 liters.
I have 2
May
packing
math
cubes. Mga jersey lang to. Ito, spare pants, tsaka yung mga underwear, pantulog.
Alam mo, without the bag, kakasya sa top case ko yan.
Really?
Yeah.
Pero loose item siya. Di ba? Isasakay ko rin naman sa van ng motor Clyde. Dala mo lang siya.
Dala ka na lang ng eco bag.
Yun.
Sumbit mo sa shoulder.
Pretty much, since Batangas nga lang yung ride natin, JC, hindi naman ako nagdala rin ng marami. Kasi I tend to do that as well, yung sobrang dami kong bitbit. But with a bike, nahiya naman ako kay Iba na damihan ko, kaya siya yung magbibit.
Magpapa-
Aba, dapat lang.
Nagpaparinig pa siya na parang,
Dapat lang.
ay, baka kailangan kong mag-impose sa mga kaibigan ko na naka-adventure bike. Eh, alam niya, naka-adventure bike ako eh. Sa chat, sino pa ba yung kausap mo?
Meron pa bang iba?
Hindi, talagang bike ni Iba. Tutulungan niya ako madalas doon. Ayan. One key feature nitong bag na to is the air release. Kasi nga, airtight, watertight siya. Yung compression, mas madali. Mas magkakasya sa motor ni Iba to kahit dala niya lahat yan. O, di ba? Pasok. Tapos may mga ganyan pa ako. O, edi lalo na siyang lumiit. Ang daling-daling nito, Iba, o. Yun na yun.
Sige na nga.
I'm still selling the idea kay Iba. On me,
Magkano yung charge ng Lalamove?
titignan ko.
Oh,
Palalamog mo na lang
okay
din.
yung rate mo. Provincial yun.
Ah,
With toll.
Tanong ko kay Mr. Ambush.
yan, si
Yeah.
Ambush. Apart from this, yung in-person ko, syempre naka-riding pants ako nun, Sigura jacket, at yung bago kong Sigura gloves. Care of
Matching na tayo.
WWR.
Yeah.
So,
Kailangan umalis na tayo dito sa WWR. Napapagastos tayo.
weekly may bago.
Ang ganda talaga eh.
Oo.
Ngayon, gusto ko na rin yung health.
Ah, malamig, di ba? Malamig.
Yun lang yung reklamo ko sa leather eh.
Mainit.
Mainit.
Wala na, may solusyon na. Bukod doon, yung mobile office ko, backpack yun. It's a dedicated camera bag. I will have there my camera for documenting, audio gear, tripod.
So you're gonna carry a backpack the whole time?
Yes, laptop ko
Wow.
nandun. Yun yung dusa doon. Kasi
And you carry your laptop?
yes. Kasi I have other work. No? Hindi po ako mayaman. Kailangan mag-work.
Wala kang
Anywhere
staff
I
na
would.
pwede utusan?
Wala eh. Hindi ako katulad mo eh.
Tawagan mo lang si Bak. Siya yung gagawa ng mga email mo.
Yung puro ko video editing.
Bak, make a presentation.
O meron naman ng AI
Kaya na ako ngayon.
Hindi, puro ko video editing, guys. So,
So
yun.
mabigat na laptop yun.
Ryzen 9.
Wow!
Alam mo, pinoproblema mo yung laptop mo, di wag mo dalhin.
Gusto mo ilagay mo sa motor ko. Kasi sa gabi mo naman kailangan yun, di ba?
But we're gonna load this in the motor Clyde van. Probably yun din, yung camera ko naka-sukbit lang
So
sa
you're not gonna carry the backpack the whole time?
papunta lang doon.
Okay,
And then
okay.
yung 2-day loop, naka-load siya. Kasi pang dump din namin eh. I'll be documenting the ride for Motor Clyde.
Yeah.
And crucial na
And
maganda.
tunay na rider!
Oo, tunay na rider.
Yung WWR.
And tunay na rider.
Oh, yun na,
Kita
di ba?
Kita nyo na.
Plus host pa siya eh.
Yeah.
Habang nag-host, nasadali na doon si JC. Chik, chik, chik.
Kita nyo na. Ang dami kong trabaho kaya hindi ako pwede
Masipag
umalis
talaga
na-
itong batang to.
I have a proposal later. So, after the podcast.
Okay, okay.
So, ikaw na magdadala nito.
Hindi.
Akala ko yun eh.
Hindi, palalamog na lang.
Yeah, madali lang. Kasi may top case ako. You can strap it onto the back seat. I mean, wala naman. Sa upuan, sa pillion.
Atid ko na lang sa bahay mo to, Iba. Tapos, ikaw na bahala. Kita-kita na lang tayo dun bukas.
Hi, I'm Joelle, and I'm back. Did you miss me? I wouldn't call this a season 2, but rather just another era with more lessons, realizations, and thoughts from all the overthinking. And it's not just gonna be me this time. We'll have special guests, other POVs, para mas marami pa tayong masagot na paano kungs ng buhay to hopefully help you find the answers you're looking for. Tara, this is Joelle's podcast, Paano Kung.
Important lang sa akin talaga na dala ko lagi yung mobile office ko. Kasi I have a lot of remote work. Tapos, toiletries, hindi na rin ako nagbitbit masyado, bro, kasi
Hotel.
I've been informed naman na magaganda yung hotel na
Yeah.
itinala
Yeah,
natin.
All you need, toothbrush, deodorant.
Yes.
Yep.
Yun, mismo.
That's it. And toothpaste. Pero yung maliit na toothpaste, okay na yan. Pero, nung nasa El Nido kami, roommate ko si Gino.
Mm.
Ang dami niyang dala. Then I was like, like akin, ziplock lang. Yun, TJ, ang dami.
Wala. Ang ginagawa ko pa pala, pagka ganitong multi-day ride, tulad nung nag-Negros kami nito, nung nag-Albaylu, trash bags. I bring a lot of trash bag. Yung mga dirty clothes, you don't want your bag smelling like sweat, di ba? Madaling ibuhol yun eh. Tapos, andyan lang siya.
I think Buck Solutions are right. Ano? His clothes never smell like sweat. Siya lang. Kasi wala siyang dirty clothes. Yung suot lang niya.
Alam mo
the whole time.
bakit?
Oh.
Kasi naaarawan namamatay yung bakterya.
Okay.
UV rays.
At saka minsan ko na rin nagamit pagka makalat. Kasi alam mo na, pag may tipon-tipon event, medyo OC ako. Pag nakakita akong basura, hindi ko mapigil na mumulot ako. Kahit medyo mukha akong mombasurero, di ba? Di ba? Guys, sa mga ganong klaseng event, let's
Minimize
not
waste.
throw trash, di ba?
And if you do throw trash, you throw it at King's Head.
May trash bag po ako dala.
For sure, pupulutin niya yan.
Oh, for sure.
Yan. Yun yung bit-bit ko. Not too much for this trip. But I also have the tendency to pack a lot of things. Lalo kung nakamalaking adventure bike. Lalo na naku po kung kotse, ibang klase ng usapan yan.
Yeah.
Marami talaga akong bit-bit. But for this trip, inaalala ko talaga si Iba. Nakakahiya naman pag masyado ako maraming din.
Thank you, ha?
Okay, you're welcome.
Ang bait.
Pasalamat ka, naisip niya yun, ha?
May consideration naman siya.
Oo.
But I think, it does come with, parang the longer you ride, the more, the less you bring.
Yeah.
No?
Tapos si Bak.
Parang the less stuff you realize you need. And because in Negros, if anything happened, you needed something. Again, nasa Iloilo ka eh. Sa Bacolod ka eh. You're
Tawid
able to get it.
Tawid dagat na yun.
So, I don't bring as much as you guys, but I don't bring as little as Buck does. So,
Ano ba yan?
Paano being natin?
so if it's like a 3-day ride,
Oh.
I will bring 3 shirts.
1 shirt daily.
Yeah.
Kahit
And then-
umulan.
Yeah. Because matutuyo ka rin eh. I will bring 1 pair of pants and maybe 1 pair of shorts and 4 pairs of socks because socks are the most. That's the one thing na hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko alam bakit.
Pero actually,
Di ba?
kahit sa military training, priority yung foot.
Bakit kaya?
Kasi,
Why are we? It's so it's a horrible feeling eh.
I think yung core temp mo also plays
Hindi,
a factor
ang
dun.
problema kasi sa
fungus.
paa, hindi, sandali. Ang problema kasi sa paa, kahit gaano katagal at gaano kabilis ka sa motor mo, hindi naman siya matutuyo kasi walang airflow eh. So, kapag nagstay na basayan, lalambot yung balat mo.
Skin.
Yeah.
So, dun magkakaroon ng mga infection sa paa.
kasi di ba marami rin
Di yan tulad sa, kunwari, brief mo. Tayo ka lang, paarawan mo,
Tanggalin.
palagyan mo ng hangin, matutuyo yan.
Yeah.
T-shirt, gano'n din. Pantalon,
Exactly.
gano'n.
Pero yun, fungus, infections,
Oh.
bacteria, all of
sabi
those
nga
things.
nung gera, di ba?
Oh.
Yung parang most
Kaya
of
nga
the
natalo yung mga
diseases-
puti eh, kasi ang arte sa paa eh.
Totoo. Di ba yung most of yung deaths
Oh.
nga nila were caused by foot infections?
Actually, if I
Swamp-
had
swamp
more
disease.
space,
Mm.
I might bring another pair of ride. I'm always thinking, because if you've been on a long ride, and it rains nonstop,
Mm.
right? You don't remember, oh, my shirt was wet, oh, my underwear was wet, oh, my jacket was wet. You remember, fuck, my feet were wet.
Mm.
And you want to bring like other pairs of, that's the number one thing, other pairs of shoes sana or something.
Okay, may tip ako pag ganyan, Iba. Kasi Albay Loop, I don't know, were you with us ng Albay? Grabe yun. 2 days umulan. Yung electric fan ko, yung naiwan ko sa'yo, bro. Di ba yung waist fan? I-shoot mo lang yun dun sa boots mo, kinakamagaan tuyo. Nga lang, gising ka madaling araw, Yung isang
Nilipat yung
pa
tabi
naman.
ng sapatos.
Kung dalawa yung ganun mo, tuyo yun for sure.
Yeah.
Isang overnight.
Yeah, for this trip, you don't have to bring extra shoes.
Yeah, kasi pwede may lalamove eh.
May mga stores kami sa Batangas, so
Ah,
I
okay.
can point it.
Bili na lang.
Me too.
Pero seriously guys just in case na lalo na kung multi-day ride kayo at nabasa yung sapatos mo, kahit bago yung medyas mo, mababasa yan eh.
Yes.
So, ang gawin nyo is pakasuot nyo ng bagong medyas, magsuot kayo ng either
Plastic.
garbage bag or plastic
Yeah.
before
Uy,
nyo
ginawa.
isuot yung sapatos.
Nagawa ko na yan, bro.
Napanood ako sa adventure riding. Ang ginagawa nila pagbasa, bago matulog, dyaryo yung
Yep.
nilalagay.
Oh, pero hindi
Pero-
ngayon lahat ng lugar
No,
mayroon dyaryo.
Yun nga, wala nang dyaryo.
Wala nang dyaryo.
Dati,
Digital na yun eh.
dati when we were riding, ang dali,
Oo.
lahat ng shelf, pwede ka bumili ng dyaryo.
Manghingi ka na sa mga bahay-bahay, meron
Oo, ngayon wala nang dyaryo.
eh.
Ngayon, mid-ride, makakabili ka ng ganito sa mga tindahan nila.
Oh, so,
JC. And then the other thing is, no matter how waterproof your boots are, water will get in.
Ang masama kasi sa waterproof, bro, okay, pag ito lang yung nababasa, pero pag pumasok, wala na,
Kung
nandun na yun.
tuloy-tuloy na ulan ha,
Oo, nandun lang
oo,
yun sa
papasok
loob.
talaga yun sa taas eh.
syempre, pinili nyo waterproof. Syempre, hindi lalabas yung water.
Oo. Tapos pag naglalakad kayo, nagsasplash,
Yan, nangyari na sa akin yun.
So, all right. So, me.
Oh, what's
What-
in your
what
bag?
I bring?
ano yan? Ang daming tech na nakikita ko.
So, I'm bringing a pump, the Xiaomi one. It doesn't work like a power bank like the Moto ACCS one. I'm bringing some new gear that I wanted to try out, like the X4. Thanks Altitude Digital.
8K.
Bakit may dala
8K
kang,
resolution.
ba't may dala kang pangisda, bro?
Dude, kung hindi ka pwede or mag-drone,
Yeah.
this is the way to go, man.
Yeah.
Because
Extra long.
this is overcompensating. This is so freaking long.
That's the name of your...
Oh, panis. Ang haba. Ilang metro? 3?
10 meter. 10 feet yan.
Yun,
10 feet?
Yeah.
About 3 meters niya. Parang gano'n.
So, pwede ka kumuha ng mga parang drone shot.
Pag may gusto ko paluin, abot mo kahit malayo siya.
So, pag minount mo yan sa motor, parang Jaws.
I've done that.
Jaws?
On the
Hindi ko ganun yan.
Hindi, Jaws.
on the XADV. No, because the nice thing about the XADV is you can hold it like this, and I have my vest, right?
Yeah.
So I strap it on, and I can ride
Mm.
and control it.
Mas mahilig ka pala strap-on, ha?
The name of
Late
his-
reaction.
The name of his
Big black strap-ons.
Nakaulit yun.
Big carbon strap
And
on.
then another cool piece of tech that I got. So I have the Insta360 Go 3. This is such a great little camera. I mean, you can't upgrade the memory, so you're limited with what it can do, no? How much it can shoot. But it's only, I think, 2.7K yung resolution, which is
Hindi pa-
fine
hindi
for
ganun
something so
kata-
tiny.
Hindi siya matakaw pala.
But Insta360 released the Go 3S,
Mm.
which shoots at 4K, and it still uses the same pod. So now you can have two cameras with the same pod.
Okay.
So,
And that-
magkaibang camera
And
yan.
you can buy just the camera.
Okay.
And this is about, at altitude, I think it was about 16 or maybe 18.
For the camera lang.
For the camera lang. 16,000 yata for the camera lang. I already bought this eh.
Kasi yung set's around 30, di ba?
Yeah, yeah. So, yeah. And then the great thing is I can pop it into my Shark modular helmet, and then, boom.
Yeah.
You don't have that ugly ass mount on it.
Oh, slick
And then-
to.
Yun
Yeah.
na yun.
And it's under your protective
Yep.
ano,
Ang
setup.
problema kasi doon sa pagka parang hazard siya pag if you take a spill, di ba? Yung
Yeah.
nakalawit. Tapos,
Yep.
it drags your helmet down kasi may weight.
But I
Yeah.
don't think we're gonna have that issue in the kind of riding we'll be doing.
Oh,
Um,
kwento.
And then, of course, the literal coolest thing that I'll be bringing is the Inutech vest.
Mm.
So this vest, you can put these gel inserts.
Yeah.
So I have a packet
Cube.
cube bag thing, and it has
Insulated cube.
it's
No.
well, it's more than insulated. It has gel inside,
Okay.
so you leave it in the freezer, and whatever you put in here will be cool. It will stay cold.
How long?
Actually, I tried it out. It kept it cold for about 5 hours, and then I pulled out the gel inserts, the Inotech gel inserts, which go inside the vest, right?
Parang sachet ng ano yun ah.
And the beauty of it is, it's not super cold. It's 24 degrees, which is the perfect temperature.
Yeah.
And it stays at 24 degrees for about 2 to 3 hours, depending on how hot it is outside and how hot you are, right? And it's a constant 24 degrees. It's not like you're putting ice in your shirt and masyashot ka. It's constant for 2 to 3 hours.
Question, di ba may parang vest ka na ganyan, yung puro pocket, yung parang kang kangaroo na.
Yeah. So the roll,
Maraming ano rin ba? Marami rin bulsa.
dalawa lang eh. That's the issue. 4. 1,
Oh, you mean
2.
he meant the gel pockets. So
Hindi,
four.
No.
Pocket for stuff.
You have 2 pockets for stuff.
2.
And then there are 4 pockets
Inserts.
for the...
Yung pampalamig.
Oo. Now, that's a limitation. But the thing is, the Roars vest I have, I can wear it over naman. So, okay lang. So I guess that's basically it.
How about
of course,
for
I'm gonna keep everything in Kriega US 20.
Kasya lahat yan. Sa
All of this stuff will fit here. But actually, no, sorry. The gear, I put it in the GV hard box on the CF Moto. So, may phobia ako of like stuff getting stolen. If soft bag yung dadalhin ko. And I put the
Butasin.
expensive stuff eh.
Oh.
Ang dali gupit, ang dali kunin. Lalo na with all these gadgets, di ba? So, this is where I put like my clothes,
Parang
tools.
yung mga kardong nawala dun sa bundok.
Yeah,
Ganun.
well, I mean, but no, actually, now that's the other thing. I'm thinking, should I leave enough space so I can move stuff around and put my helmet inside? Because hassle then to bring your helmet around it.
Lalo kung naka-shark ka, mainit sa mata yan.
Yeah,
Diba?
yeah. It's nice to have that security.
How about tools? May pinakita ka kanina,
yeah.
yung mga
Tools.
yung mga modular tools.
So, depending on what bike I'm bringing, I just change one bit here, which are the bits, right? So here in my toolkit, I have the Leatherman Wave Plus. So the nice thing about the Leatherman Wave Plus, it's got basically everything you would need. Plus, you can also put a bit adapter. So pwede siya magiging screwdriver. And the bit adapter is
Torx, nagiging ganun siya.
here. So you can pop that in here. And it's got these special flat bits, but you can also put anong tawag dito ba?
Torx.
So, the bits, torque bits.
Torque bits.
So these the CF Moto is what we're bringing.
Yeah.
So I use the torque bits because ganun yung sa CF Moto.
Sakto, we have the tools na.
Napili mo na yan para dun sa
Kanina
mga
natin
tornilyo.
papagamit.
Oh. So I also have this tiny ratchet. So you can put the Leatherman thing in there and then
Bro, bili mo ako niyan. Bayaran ko siya.
mura
Gusto ko
lang.
niyan.
$600, I think.
Dami sa Lazada niyan.
$600 bucks. It's a
Oh.
Bosch ratcheting thing. I have this is pretty cool because any size knot you can adjust it.
You wanna torture someone, yung mga kuko nila dyan.
So malaki, maliit, and it's Nipex, so you can't go wrong.
Yeah.
Nipex Cobra.
So usually I use that kung side view mirror lang. Yung yun ang mga lumuluwag eh. So these are my tools.
Okay. Itong mga to, dala mo ba siya sa bike mo malapit o malayo? Kasi ito, halos lahat to, bit-bit niya rin eh.
Yeah, yun yung laman ng bag. Clothes lang yung
Usually
Dumami din
yung
ba?
toolkit dala ko
Palagi.
This is what I bring all the time. The pump, no.
Pag malapit, hindi.
Pag malapit, kasi I ride every day.
Yeah.
And there's always a gas station.
And
There's
you have
always a Petron.
And you have 35 bikes.
And not all of them have, not all of them have a top box and tank bag. So what do I bring all the time? This, my Cardo.
Wala ako nakitang bro Kasi ako na-mention ko kahit di ko dala dito yung laptop ko, dala ko parate. How do you work pag remote? Ikaw rin, paano?
Ako, iPad.
iPad mini.
Wow, sana all.
I used to use an iPad Pro, but it was just too big. Name of my sex tape. But the iPad mini is just the right size. I have a foldable, tiny keyboard. I can shoot out an email. I can't work on presentations, but I already have a master presentation, a master deck. That's the name of my sex tape. So my master deck has all of the slides I need, and I can just tweak them individually in the iPad mini. But I can't create anything from scratch on the iPad mini.
Yun naman yung limitation ng iPad OS.
Wala.
Divided
I need multiple windows to research and to create stuff. That's what I need. But the beauty of the iPad mini is it works as a secondary monitor for my MacBook Pro.
Yeah. Naisip ko lang, I'll be hosting the program dito sa Batangas Loop. Na-spoil na ako nung binili ko sa'yo, bro, na iPad. I no longer...
Anong binili?
Basta, pag-usapan natin.
Ginawa akong WWR eh. Uy, lista mo lang yan, ha?
Di ba may tiyap ako sa'yo? Hindi. Na-spoil na ako noon. I no longer carry a paper or card sheet pag nag-host ako. Doon ko na sinusulat.
Actually, pareho tayo ni Bak eh. Yung iPad Pro ko, pumunta ka lang kay Bak eh. Buhay pa ba yun?
Boy yun.
Basta pag-usapan natin yung tiyap ko. Madali na yung
iPad Pro. That's how you...
Madali na yung supplemental nun. Ayun, hindi ko siya madadala dito sa loop na to kasi obviously I no longer have a space. Ayoko naman siyang isugal dito. Tulad nga ng sabi mo, iba madali siyang i-slash. Kawawa naman ako, hindi ko pa nga bayad ng full. Mawawala agad, di ba? Ayun, ganun pala kayo mag-work, samantalang ako, laptop, wherever.
But you have to edit eh.
Yeah.
I can't edit. I mean, CapCut, just like really stupid videos I can do on the iPad mini, but anything more intense, di kaya.
Oo, kaya cash pala. May mga bit-bit ba kayong cash pagka ganito kalayong biyahe?
Yeah, small bills now.
Kasi di ba may mga tindahan sa probinsya talagang kahit ano gawin mo, walang electronic shit.
I follow Bucks Kuchara logic doon sa cash. Kasi I'm so used to GCash and
GCash mo na lang kung sino yung magbabayad.
So I'll just stick with you guys and I'll just be like, magkano utang ko, GCash ko na lang sa'yo.
Dun sa parking namin sa
sorry, GoTime ko na lang sa'yo.
Ayan, GoTime. Iba, alam mo, para makabayad ako sa'yo yung GoTime natin. Let's begin with that. At saka si Iba, dun sa luma naming studio, maraming beses nang minsan ako yung nangungutang sa kanya ng cash kasi GCash boy din ako eh. Pagka naman siya yung wala, ako rin, pambayad sa parking. Sa probinsya, natutunan ko na magdala ka talaga ng 50s, 100s, 200s. Wag 1,000. Wag 500.
Nako. May cash ka.
Mag-withdraw pa.
GCash na lang kita.
Dapat pwede.
Kaya teka, kailan ba kayo nagsi-probinsya? Ba't parang iba yung probinsya na alam ko? Pag pumunta ka ngayon sa mga probinsya, mas magaganda ang mga mall doon at saka restaurant.
Yung vegan nung nakaraan, Ilocos Sur Invitational, wala ko halos mapagbayaran ng GCash doon.
Vegan, iba currency dun eh. Mga pang-singsan lang yun.
Euro ba yun?
Yung sari-sari store na pinuntahan ni Bak sa Sorsogon. Sorsogon ba yun?
Oo.
Yung kinento ni Angel.
Oo.
Kailangan libo yung dala mo nun. Kwento mo, bakit libo kailangan mo?
Ano yun? Dapat off-air.
Off-air. Basta may secret menu.
May tagpa 500 naman daw eh.
Yung sari-sari store doon. Anyway, alright.
Magdala kayo ng cash, mga loopers.
Saka you're bringing your bikes, make sure na you have your documents.
Oh,
nga,
yeah.
Lisensya.
ORCR, lisensya.
Yung mga walang lisensya dyan.
Oh. Pero pag may kasi may sa bagay kung walang signal, no? Pero pag may e-license ka, you don't need the physical one. Pero usually yung bag mo naman may space for that.
Anong bagong tawag dito? Parang pamantayan dyan sa
Oo nga, may nakita
license.
akong kumakalat na viral video of this girl saying you don't need to bring your license as long as you have
Kasi
your LTO thing.
Yes.
may LTO portal na kasi. Nandun nakalagay yung mga vehicles under your name. Kung nakaregister ba, makikita ng mga LTO officers yon. Your license is there. Para siyang main portal.
Yeah. Accepted na
Oo.
siya as your license.
So,
Nagawa ko-
maski hindi ka na magdala ng card,
Yes.
Nagawa ko tong news report, I think, nung nilaunch to. Kaya naiintindihan ko siya.
When was this?
23, I think. Tama
Yeah.
ba? Mga 2023.
So, since 2023, I didn't have to bring my license?
Yes.
If you have your LTO portal na planchado as in,
Yeah.
naka-upload
Updated.
lahat doon.
Yeah.
Yun. Oh, yeah.
o kasi ang portal naman, nandun talaga yung
And kung
record
ano yung
mo sa
physical
license.
mo, yun na yun yung nasa portal.
Oh.
No, that's another episode since ikaw yung expert. Let's talk
Oo nga.
about that.
Sure.
Oh.
Game.
Tapos mag-invite tayo ng HPG na pwede mag-checkpoint dyan sa harap.
Si Nico. Anyhow, Buck, what's the most important thing you have to bring on any ride?
Nakalimutan nyo, no? Hindi nyo alam kung ano yung pinaka-importante.
Naalala ko, sinabi ko sa'yo eh. That's why I'm asking you.
Hindi, kanina doon sa live, hindi nyo alam yun eh. Anyway.
Yung mga sarili.
Doon sa mga sasama sa, ano yan, Batangas Lobo Loop ba yun?
Or
Tawag yun?
FJ Moto. Or kahit saan.
or any ride
Tapos
na
ayaw
sasalihan nyo. Diba? Kailangan nyo, lagi nyong dala yung good attitude and respect to each other.
Yeah.
Yan ang pinaka-importante.
Kasi ang dami nakaaway ni Buck
Oo.
sa mga ride eh.
Kaya dapat,
Kasi wala.
kaya alam na.
Tignan mo.
May fake news, di ba?
Tignan mo, nag-ultralight packing tuloy para layuan dyan ng mga tao.
Pero good attitude naman.
Oo, mabait naman. Yung importante doon.
All right. So yeah, that's our episode of Tunay na Rider. These guys have to wake up early. King has to pick up his grandma in the airport.
Yep.
And kakain kami ni Buck kila Alvin.
Andun kaya si Rod Chua? Matanong.
And next week, it's our Valentine's Day episode, and we have none other than
The power couple.
Totti,
The Lovers in Italy.
the lovers in Italy. Good rider, sweet lover. Ducati rider, sweet lover. We've got Totti Alberto and Joy Alberto.
Yeah.
Power couple in the motorcycle industry.
Otits Alberto.
Hosting is
And Steph Cinco is back from her many rides. And we can ask her what she brought.
No, for sure, nagkomando yun.
Maraming salamat sa WWR for hosting us.
World Wrestling Riders.
Yan.
Tunay na WWR. TNWWR.
Yan.
Thank you to Barbecue Shack.
Barbecue Shop.
Keep it coming.
Oo.
Siyempre, sa Castrol. Dahil sa Word.
Number 1 tayo.
See you next week, guys.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.